Master Piano Playing, Pro Guide to Elevate Your Skills. Mastering the piano is more than just pressing keys. It's about control, expression, and finesse. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your technique, this video will guide you through 6 essential piano techniques, plus a bonus section covering common mistakes and how to fix them. Stay tuned and let's level up your playing. First, let's talk about posture and hand position. The way you hold your hands and wrists while playing can make a huge difference in your control and technique. Keeping your wrists loose and flexible prevents strain and allows smoother motion. Tension in the wrist can restrict speed, limit dexterity, and even lead to injury over time. A common mistake among beginners is playing with stiff wrists or lifting fingers too high off the keys. Instead, think of your fingers as dancers, lightly gliding across the keys while your wrist remains a soft, flexible bridge. Keep your fingers strong and let them do the work. A good way to test if your wrists are too tense is to place your hand flat on a table, then gently lift it while keeping it relaxed. The natural curve your fingers create is the shape they should maintain while playing. Avoid arching your fingers too much or letting them collapse. To practice relaxation, try slow scales with a focus on fluid movement. You can also use a technique called floating wrists. Play a few notes, then lift your hands off the keyboard like you're letting go of water droplets. This ensures that you're not tensing up as you play. Tip 2. Finger independence and dexterity. Finger independence is crucial for speed, precision, and playing more complex pieces. If your fingers tend to move together or feel weak, you need to build strength and dexterity. Hanon and Czerny exercises are some of the best ways to improve control, but let's break it down into a few simple drills. 1. 5-finger exercise. Place all 5 fingers on 5 adjacent keys. Play one finger at a time while keeping the others relaxed on the keys. Try this with both hands and focus on evenness. 2. Legato and staccato drill. Play a simple scale using legato, smooth, connected notes first, then play it again using staccato, short, detached notes. This helps with control and finger strength. 3. Thumb under motion. When playing scales, your thumb should pass under your fingers smoothly instead of twisting or collapsing. Slow practice will help perfect this transition. A great way to develop independent finger movement is to practice silent playing. Place your hand on the keyboard and press down on the keys without making a sound, focusing only on movement. This strengthens individual fingers and prepares you for fast passages. Tip 3. Dynamic control and expression. Music isn't just about the notes, it's about how you play them. Dynamics bring life to your music and add emotion to your performance. Imagine telling a story where every word is spoken in the same tone. Boring, right? The same applies to music. There are 2 major ways to control dynamics. 1. Finger pressure. Pressing the keys harder will naturally produce louder sounds, while a gentle touch creates soft notes. Practicing scales at different dynamic levels will help you build control. 2. Arm weight. Instead of forcing notes with your fingers, use the natural weight of your arm to create sound. Relax your shoulder, let your arm fall, and channel that energy into the keys. A great exercise for dynamic control is the crescendo-decrescendo scale. Play a simple scale starting softly, then gradually increase volume until reaching the peak, then fade back to soft. Don't forget accents. Play a simple melody and emphasize only the first note of each group. This builds control and phrasing. Tip 4. Pedal mastery and sound clarity. The main techniques you need to know are 1. Full pedal. Pressing the pedal down completely for legato and resonance. 2. Half pedal. Partially pressing the pedal to blend sounds without too much sustain. 3. Pedal sync. Lifting the pedal slightly when changing chords to avoid unwanted overlap. A great way to practice is to play a chord progression with and without pedal use, listening to the difference. Bonus. Common mistakes and fixes. 1. Tense shoulders and hands. 2. Overuse of the sustain pedal. 3. Rushing through passages instead of practicing slow. 4. Incorrect thumb positioning when playing scales. The key to improving is identifying these bad habits early and correcting them. Pay attention to your body while playing. If you notice tension, shake out your hands, take a breath, and reset. Now it's your turn. What's your biggest piano challenge? Drop a comment below, and I'll create more videos to help you improve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more piano tips. Happy practicing!